a timepiece specifically designed for those who frequently traverse different time zones. Gray & Sons presents how to set different time zones properly on the Rolex Oyster Perpetual GMT-Master II. A purpose-built watch for globetrotters capable of tracking 2 time zones simultaneously. This feature allows you to keep track of the local time and the time back home, or the local time and that of another time zone of your choice. To set the watch, begin with your home or reference time. Rotate the bezel until the triangle aligns with the 12 o'clock position. Then unscrew the crown and pull it out to the second notch. By rotating the crown in either direction, you can set the 24-hour and minute hand to display the desired time against the bezel. Pull out the crown to the first notch. To set the time at your current location and the date, use the jumping hour hand and rotate it in either direction until the correct hour and date are displayed. To display the time of an alternate time zone, simply rotate the bezel to account for the difference in hours. The GMT-Master II is powered by the self-winding caliber 3285, a movement entirely manufactured by Rolex in Switzerland. For more, browse us online at www.grayandsons.com.